Hey YouTube! Today we're going to learn how to import items from a CSV file into your TurboLister program. Now you want to keep in mind, in order to import items at all, you need to make sure that you're in your inventory section. And the reason that I say that is because if you're in a different area, let's say, you go up to File, Import Items, it doesn't give you any options to select from. When you're in inventory, you can go to File, Import Items, and suddenly all of your options are back. So just be sure that you're in your inventory when importing. So what you're going to do in this case is go to File, Import Items. We'll go from File, since we have a CSV file that we're looking for. It wants to go to the default location. I saved my CSV onto the desktop, so we'll click on Desktop. And there is our test file that we created for our export video. We click Open. Now you're going to want to leave all of these selected when you import, so just go ahead and click Import. A lot of times you'll see this particular information or this little message box. Go ahead and say yeah, retrieve pre-filled item information. Okay, and then you click Close. Now you'll see that we now have a new folder called Imported From, and then it gives the location of where we pulled that file and how many items were in it. We still have our My Items, all that good stuff. And a lot of times you'll have to click off the folder and back onto it to only see what's in that folder. But here are the 12 items that were in our test. You can double click to see the information is still there. Now, when you're working with CSV files in TurboLister, you want to make sure that you're not opening the CSV file and editing any of the information there. TurboLister is not designed to accept CSVs that you are editing before uploading it to the site. Really, the only reason that TurboLister has the ability to import CSV files is to either be used as a secondary backup for TurboLister or to move items from one account to another. But again, not editing the software in the middle. The problem is too many things can happen when you're opening the file in Excel and playing around with the cells and when you save it. So if something goes wrong, the eBay customer support agents cannot help with that. If you call up and say, hey, I created a CSV outside of the program, it's throwing me this weird error, what do I do? They may have some ideas for you, but generally they're going to tell you that they can't offer support for a file created outside of the program. So just keep that in mind. The CSV is really just for backup and moving items from one user file to another. And that's how you import CSV files into your TurboLister account. Keep watching for more videos on how to build your eBay arsenal.